Good day everyone, and welcome to our tutorial in which I'll be sharing with you how to capture a payment on an account. Now please note that this can only be done for accounts which have already been invoiced, because the payment will be made on those invoices. Okay, so right away let's get started. So the first thing you need to do immediately you open your software is navigate your way to the accounts tab there. Okay, so assuming you were on another tab, just click on the accounts tab there and this window will appear. So click edit. From this new window you select the account that you want the payment to be captured on. Okay, so assuming you have a lot of accounts there, unlike in our example, you can simply type the name of the account there to make things easier for you. Then it will appear in a list there, or you can simply use the TPIN number or the account ID. Okay, so since we do not have a lot of accounts in our example, we are assuming in today's video that we are capturing a payment on the waiting account. So let's assume this is a company or a shop or whatever your client's nature of business is. Okay, so once you navigate to that account, double click on it, a new window will appear. Okay, so on your right you navigate now to where it says payment. Okay, now remember that I said this can only be done for accounts that have been invoiced. Okay, so when you come here you will notice that this account has been invoiced. There are two invoices pending payment there, you can see them there. Okay, so we navigate to payment, a new window will pop up again. Alright, so you select the invoice that's being paid for from this list. Remember, these are the same invoices we saw under the invoices tab. So you select the invoice that is being paid for. Okay, so select that, and immediately it's selected, you will notice that at the bottom the amount paid field will be automatically filled for you. Then you select the date of payment. Okay, which account is this payment being made to? So is it your bank account? Is this money going to your safe? Is it petty cash, and so on? So we'll say F&B main account. Okay, what is the reason for this payment? Okay, so let's say this payment is for what we supplied. We supplied them with artwork. Okay, so we'll say payment for artwork. Okay, and then simply say pay. Okay, don't worry about this message here. Okay, it will usually pop up if you haven't added or attached a proof of payment, which is not always a requirement. But let's assume you've got documents on your computer which you would like to attach as proof of payment to this transaction we're capturing. You simply go there, navigate your way to those documents, open of course, and they'll be attached. Okay, but if you do not have any documents that you would like attached to this, simply go and pay. When this message pops up, just confirm. If you would like to have this transaction printed out, you can confirm that, but in our case we do not want to. Okay, a message has appeared there saying saved successfully, and immediately you notice that that invoice is no longer on the list of pending invoices. So you have successfully captured a payment on an account. When you're done, simply close your windows, and that's it. Thank you very much for having joined me. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.